stylish, isn't it? We arrive in style.
I went on one of these in Vienna, no, yeah, in Italy.
Yeah.
It was €100.
Yeah, they're expensive. When we went, they were €75. I refused to pay it.
No, my dad paid it.
Oh, is it? Hello?
Yeah.
Well, this is one of the traditional boats. We're gonna go back in style. I think the pigeon's getting on first. Bye, Pop. It's been emotional while we've known you. What's this boat called? The traditional name?
Maltese national boat.
Maltese national boat.
Talpas is no. Daisa means boat.
Daisa?
Talpas.
Talpas.
Means of passengers.
Okay, boat of passengers.
I'm always taxi boat.
Vaisa Talpas.
Daisa Talpas.
Okay, so we're on the Vaisa I can't even say it now. Vaisa Talpas. Boat of the passengers. And what's this body of water called?
Huh?
This water, what's it called?
Here is
The Maltese Bay? Or?
Marsamshed Harbour. Marsamshed Harbour. We are in Marsamshed Harbour.
Okay, Malshat.
Point to the point of Valletta Fort St. Elmo. Inside you see Pietà, the fortifications of Valletta, Pietà, Sida, Tashbish, Manuel Island, Zira, and Sliema.
Okay, thank you for that.
The harbour.
Look at this. Nice crystal blue waters. So there's the island. So basically that was used to quarantine people coming into the city back in the day. A bit like Dubrovnik, just outside the city walls. You had a similar sort of fort. People were quarantined there for a couple of weeks. Yeah, they were quarantined for a couple of weeks before allowed into the city. And I'm presuming the same. What's here? So Manuel Island. And yet again, the sun is absolutely scorching. Whoa, waves! Okay, almost back on terra firma. Not too far.
The Grand Harbour Beacon. Many fleets in the harbour for winter and safe here.
Okay.
You see old photos, Marsamshed Harbour. You Google, you find.
Because there's some sunken ships from World War II here as well, isn't it?
There was Ohio
Uh-huh.
in 1942.
Oh, okay.
It was hit outside and was stuck, then come in the harbour with supply, food and fuel.
Uh-huh.
Ohio was the ship, American convoy.
So I think a lot of people go diving there now. It's a dive site.
Was the most bombed harbour.
Oh, was it? And it's where they
Hitler
plan
was
everything.
coming crazy because if he continue to attack here and
Yeah.
don't start with Russia, he will win Malta and North Africa for the petroleum, you know. So he wanted quickly.